Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this adorable rainbow candy necklace. Now, I don't know about you, and I don't know if you can tell by the sound of my voice, but I'm really excited to talk about this necklace because it has definitely become my favorite resin necklace to date. So I'm using some of the goodies that we got in the Sophie and Toffee Sweet Treat Pixie box, and my goodness, this box was most definitely up my street. Just have a look at all of the gorgeous little goodies that we got. Once I'd chosen which pieces that I was going to be using, it was time for me to set to work. So I'm using lots of different pigments from Sophie and Toffee, and this little palette here is actually the backside of the Kingdom Hearts trinket tray. So there's a little tip for you. You can turn your molds upside down and use them as little palettes. Of course, you guys already know I am a Larissy girl, so obviously I'm going to be using their glitter. And then I painstakingly, one drop at a time, put the UV resin into the crevices of this super cool rainbow mold that I got from the Crafts and Glitter shop. Honestly, it takes a long time, but it is so worth it. You see, this is why it pays to take your time. Look at how nice and clean that this turned out. Oh my goodness. So I'm now using the same technique with this little lollipop shaker mold. I didn't decide to make it into a shaker because I knew I was going to be attaching it to the rainbow necklace itself, and it will be a little bit too cumbersome to shake on there. But of course you can do it as a shaker if you wish. So I added in some of the really cute candy confetti that we got. I actually thought that this looked a little bit like a baby rattle, and I thought it was absolutely adorable. Something that was even more adorable though were these teeny tiny little desserts. How cute are they? Oh my goodness. So now all that's left to do is for me to just assemble everything. I kind of wanted it to be like the lollipop was like a sort of magical candy wand, and then when you wave it, then like a rainbow comes out and lots of teeny tiny bits of candy fall out of it. You know me, I like to try and create a story with everything that I make. Once it was all domed, I then just popped some bails on the back of it, whacked in a chain, and hey presto, we now have my favorite necklace. And of course I had to have my hair matching because you know me, I'm extra. If you enjoyed this video, then please do share it with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.